If you're like me, on hot days, no one wants to stand in front of a hot stove and cook dinner or cook lunch. So today on Jay's World Kitchen, I'm going to share with you an absolutely easy, completely delicious tuna salad recipe. And the nice thing about this is that you can use it in so many ways and it takes no effort at all. So to start off with, in a medium-sized bowl, we're going to put in 2 cans of light flake tuna that we've drained. I got mine in water because I do prefer that, and very nicely lightly flaked. Now into that I'm going to add approximately 3 to 4 tablespoons of finely chopped red onion. And into that, a little bit of chopped celery, and I just took 1 stalk and chopped it up quite fine. Very, very simple. Now we're going to add in a few leaves of parsley, and I cut these. I have some flat and some curly leaf parsley in here. Just sort of cut it quite fine together, but of course fresh is always, always better. And now into that we're just going to squeeze a little bit of lemon juice, and I'm just using a fresh lemon, and just a little squeeze like that, just to get that fresh lemon flavor. Now finally into that I'm going to put in approximately 1/3 of a cup of mayonnaise, and I'm using a nice tangy one that I really like. It's just a simple mayonnaise, but really it does so much and adds so much flavor. We're just going to give that a good mix. Like I said, it really just takes a few moments. Now into that, we're just going to add a little pinch of salt and some freshly ground black pepper. And then mix those in really, really well. And the wonderful thing about this recipe is there are so many ways to present it and so many ways to make it. You can honestly make this your own. You can add in chopped sweet peppers. You can add in some hot peppers if you like a little bit spicy. I know some people like to put a little bit of hot sauce in the mix there as well. This is the way that I really enjoy it, and I'm sure you will too if you give it a go. So I'm going to give it a try on some bread. But you can just eat this on its own as a salad with some nice crisp lettuce, or you can mix it in with some pasta to make a pasta salad. You could even do this in a wrap. There's so many possibilities. You can add tomato to it. I just like this on some nice fresh sourdough bread with a little bit of lettuce, a little bit of butter, and that's it. So I'm going to give this a taste. That's absolutely perfect. On a hot day where you don't want to cook, this is the perfect meal. There's that wonderful softness of the bread and the crunch of the onions and that celery in there and that lettuce. That bread is just amazing with it. I love the flavor profile, and it doesn't feel heavy. It feels very, very light and very, very summery. This has got to be one of the most simple, quick, easy, and versatile recipes I've done in a long time. You've got to try this. And if you do, I'd love to hear from you in the comment section below how it turned out for you and what you used to make this unique for you and your family. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and remember to turn on notifications so that you know when my next video drops. Remember too that you can follow me on all of my social media, and those links are below in the comment section as well. I'd also like to take a moment to say a big thank you to my supporters on Patreon. Without their financial support, this channel would absolutely not be possible. If you would like to find out more about Patreon and how you can help financially support this channel, please click on the Patreon link down below in the comment section as well. Now, if you'd like to try some more of my main course meals, you can click on this playlist right here. But if you'd like to try my bull recipe, which is my favorite bread to have this on, you can find that video right here. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy eating.